My name is Tepiso Mameja. I'm from Trishasdal in Marulan Municipality. It's based in Limpopo. And my company name is Amphiguard Brickyard. I started operating in 2010. I started operating with only 10 people. And then we also manufacture cement product, which are mixed brick, stock brick, bevel, interlock, concrete mix, and lentils. We managed to establish also huge market with cash build it, and also RDP projects. I was working at Real Net Estate. I was selling houses, so I saw a huge potential in the brick industry. So that's where I started. I did not have any capital when I started this business, so I went and knocked on Seda's doors, and then they helped me with STP funding for 400,000. So I bought 4 machines, 2 mixers. You cannot operate with only a brick manufacturing machine. You need a truck, you need a TLB, you need to go and mine sand. You also need to train employees so that they can be able to do the good quality, so that you can be able to service your clients. So those are the challenges that I came across when I started this business. You don't just make bricks, you also manage things like equipment, trucks breakdowns, machine breakdowns, and sometimes you find, oh my God, the machine has broken down. I don't even have that capital because it has broken something that you did not even make that income. I went to this hardware's cash build, and luckily I got contracts from them. So those contracts did help me to manage to sustain, to pay salaries, and to be able to buy material and so on. The first time I knocked Seda's doors, what they did is they first helped me in having a business plan. Secondly, they managed to acquire more trainings for me, ISO 9001, a lot of training also for employees. They've also done Empretech, and then from there they gave me machineries, like I said, the STP. From STP, when they got programs, they also sent us those programs. So I came across a program called Gazelle. So I entered the Gazelle. Luckily, I was one of the top 40 Gazelle, and my business has expanded like extremely well from where I was. Gazelle offered me R1 million, which I went and bought a 800,000 machine. That machine can produce up to 20,000 bricks a day. So from where I was, I could only produce 5,000, only depending on how the workers work. So the machine that they offered me, it's automated machine. The market that I had from 2010, I still have it now because of the quality, because of their machines. First of all, hard working is the key. You mustn't just sit back and say, Seda will come to you. You must pull yourself and go out there and knock on doors and never give up. I went to Seda. It did not just take a day for them to get me where I am. So you must just keep on persisting. The support from my parents, even though they see, oh my God, this lady wanna penetrate this thing, it's a male-dominated, but they just kept saying, it's okay, you can make it. And also institutions like Seda, they also helped me to say, you know what, you are a lady, but you can make it. Seda also offered me a business plan to show that when you are running a business, you need to have a business plan. You need to have a bookkeeper. I did not have a bookkeeper. So now at least I have systems in place because of Seda. First of all, job creation around local area. I am able to sustain jobs and save many lives. During the COVID time, honestly speaking, it wasn't an easy thing. So what we did, we at least managed to save the money that we had from the suppliers that we were supplying. At least I was able to only sustain their salary for this 5 months because we were totally shut down. We had to cut down because we had almost 55 employees here. But now that we're on level 1, things are moving and the hardwares are putting more orders. I think we're gonna return them back so that we can push more production. The support that I got from my parents was the 8-hectare land to place the business, and also 1 8-ton truck to load bricks for deliveries. And then they also helped me with 1 TLB to load sand. Yes, and they've also injected 200,000 for me to start buying materials such as cement. Currently, we do supply hardwares like Cash Build It. We supply also local walk-in clients. We also do RDP projects. We supply them with bricks, and the hardwares are based in Limpopo and also in Mpumalanga. It's Bakersford, Ladenburg, Steelport, and also Zanin and Make, and also Giyani, Namahale, Palabora. Part of our expansion plan is to start supplying in provinces like Gauteng, and also to expand to become one-stop shop whereby I will be supplying a concrete product like roof tile, lentils, and then we also have stock bricks that goes double. It's for normal houses, and they are also SABS tested by Seda. We also offer in-house training like first aider, forklift trainers, and then firefighting. And then also Seda has appointed someone to come and train my employees for ISO 9001, which is quality management. Where I buy the machine, they normally come on site and train my employees how to operate the machine from scratch, from the sand side, how to sieve the sand, and then how to put water, how to mix, and then until to the end product. 2011, I received BW a award to award me for hardworking and for young female entrepreneur. We have billboards. Seda have made billboards for us. I am where I am because of Seda. Yes, and I can see the light through Seda because I am really growing, and going places. For SIFA Seda, and I did apply. I did receive reference number, but since I haven't heard anything from them. I heard about Seda while I was attending a seminar somewhere. So a friend of mine referred me, and then I started Googling about it, and then I went to the local branch, and then I knocked on their doors, and then we took it from there. My name is Tepiso Mameja. We are situated in Richards Dal, based in Limpopo in Marulen Municipality. We manufacture cement products, which are Mexi, Stock, Interlock, Bevel. For more info, you can contact me on www.amphiguardbrickyard.co.za or Tepiso Isabel Mameja on my Instagram page, or 072 26 87 888.